Yo, what's up? Beat Camp 101, Florida Keyz in here. Shout out to FL Gang, you know what I'm saying, all my FL users. This is my first time going live like this, even put my beats out there. So, you know, any feedback, any criticism is greatly appreciated. So, y'all fuck with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what's up, let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. If you got any suggestions, you know what I'm saying? Just holler at your boy, put it in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Hey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah. All right, what's up, FL Gang? All my FL Gang users, you know what I'm saying? We back, and I'm about to show y'all how I cook this thing up, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, this is my arrangement right here. You know, start off with the intro, hit it with the chorus, then the verse, chorus, verse, and chorus, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all go ahead and check out the little melody real quick, you know what I'm saying? It's how I got down on that. Cool little melody. I stacked it with this right here, you know what I'm saying? Then if we drop them together, that's what you get. You know what I'm saying? Shit was real simple. I didn't really do too much on the hi-hats, you feel me? Just basic, simple hi-hats, you know what I'm saying? That's all I did to that. But I did go in and tweak my shift knob right here, you know what I'm saying? That's how you get that little murder beat sound. That's the little sauce. That's some drip right there for y'all, you know what I'm saying? What else? Let's see. My percussion, you know what I'm saying? Something real simple. What's this? This is a more percussion. You know, real simple shit, bro. I'm going simple. And this is my 808. I use the Tay Keith 808 on this right here. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to my boy. That's how I laid the 808s down, you feel me? That's how this shit sounded. Beat Camp. That's what I came up with, yo. Y'all tell me if you like it. You know, if you fucking with it, if you rocking with your boy, if it's lit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to drop in the comments, say that shit. You know what I'm saying? Peace.